John Krajewski, and I'm the Director of Product Management for Schneider Electric for the Wonderware HMI Supervisory business. As we've been discussing with our customers, their needs and their desires and how they want to operate their businesses, they've often identified things that required us to think differently about our technology. Examples of that being the types of applications that they need access to, where traditionally the people in the operations staff would have the ability to turn on and off pieces of equipment. Now they want to be able to register work orders for that equipment. They want to be able to find out maintenance records for that equipment. They want to be able to find out live video feeds for that equipment, and they want to be able to do these things all instantly. They don't want to have to wait for that access. Wonderware is introducing InTouch Omni. With InTouch Omni, we're going to be adding a brand new visualization component to the traditional system platform pieces. This new visualization component we're referring to as an operations management interface. It goes beyond the traditional capabilities of human-machine interface as well as supervisory control and data acquisition systems. The experience of using InTouch Omni will be very intuitive and will be open to a far greater number of users. And so while today with system platform, system engineers and integrators, those people will be very comfortable with system platform, we're now making it much more comfortable for people like technicians and others to work inside of these systems as well. And so one of the capabilities we're doing is introducing more and more out-of-the-box content. Out-of-the-box content that delivers optimal user interface experience, optimal situational awareness, as well as the best practices design that is part of what you deliver out of the box, and therefore we're less variability on whether or not people knew how to use the product correctly. They're just going to get these best practices operating for them out of the box. One of the other key feedback that we've received from our customer base has been the inclusion of more devices inside of how they use their systems. So outside of just having traditional workstations, which may be clad in stainless steel, and that's where the people are working from, now more commonly they're going to be wanting to work from their desktops, their laptops, their tablets, and their phones. And what we've done with InTouch Omni is to make these capabilities just part of the core platform so that when someone develops content, they do it once and they'll be able to have these natural experiences that are native to those devices without having to do specific engineering. With the new abilities that'll be possible with the operations management interface that we're going to be introducing, it will accelerate the time to completion on tasks, where today traditionally they may need to call other people to complete a task. And so if I need access to information, commonly we hear examples of where someone has to call someone else, they have to extract that information, send them an Excel spreadsheet, email it to them, and then they have to access it offline. Whereas now with these systems, they'll have all information at their fingertips with no effort.